Good afternoon, welcome to TruckSmart. My name is Carl. Today I'd like to show you this brand new 2026 Ford F450 utility body. This is an F450 chassis, 16,500 GVW, 6,500 pound front axle, 12,880 rear axle. Has a 7.3 liter gas engine, made it to a 10-speed automatic. It is a SuperCab with rear suicide doors, so you have seating for up to 6. The body, this is an 11-foot walk-in utility. This is a Duramag, all aluminum body. This entire body only weighs a little over 2,100 pounds, making the truck more fuel efficient, as well as giving you increased payload. This 16.5 GVW truck has a payload capacity of a little over 7,000 pounds. There are 4 cabinets on each side. Interior height is 75 inches, so no problem standing up and walking in there. Interior shelves are built in, as well as a non-slip floor surface. The aluminum construction, in addition to being lightweight, will of course not rust. Roof access ladder for the ladder racks. Again, 4 compartments on both sides. When we take a look inside, and I'll show you some of the equipment in there. So this new 2026 Ford F450 is really nice. 7.3 liter engine, as I said, 10-speed automatic, has power windows, door locks, cruise and tilt. Of course, Bluetooth connectivity, has a built-in backup camera, limited slip differential. This is a 4x4, has a built-in trailer brake controller. The truck was equipped with a snow plow prep package, as well as a full trailering package. Warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles, bumper to bumper, 5 years, 60,000 on the powertrain, engine, trans, and rear. If you have any questions or would like more information, please give me a call. My name is Carl. My number is 215-828-1572. Thanks so much. Have a great day.